It's the 2012 NAB show. Hello everyone, I'm Tyler Pyburn of the Pulse Network of thepulsenetwork.com, discussing the great content shift, the shift that is taking place across our industry right now. We're talking about the shifting technologies in particular right now. We're talking with Peter Maag, the CMO of Haivision. Peter, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you very much.
Excellent. So let's talk about, first off, cloud transcoding efficiency, because one thing I think is interesting about that, we just experienced here at the Pulse Network kind of the shift in technologies. We've always been transcoding right here at home base, but just this past weekend we were able to enable some of the cloud transcoding. Talk about some of the benefits of that right now.
Well, I think what content providers are really striving for is really to maximize the quality of the signals for the users and maximize the user experience, right? And the most difficult thing that people have been trying to overcome is actually the uplink, right? Mm-hmm. And primarily the move to being able to provide adaptive dynamic streaming as well as multi-stream content has exacerbated the use of the resource of the uplink bandwidth.
So what I think is interesting is, you mentioned that quality, because everybody wants that high quality. I mean, we've seen it, dumbed down, if you will, and put it in layman's terms. But when you have it at that high quality, if you're looking at a big-time H.264, you're looking at something that is amazing, but you're still trying to fight off that latency. That's one of the problems that you're seeing with that.
Yeah, well, I think that really the trick is that you really need to use computing power where it naturally exists and take advantage of the scarce resources, right? So the real trick is on the uplink bandwidth to really maximize that, send one big stream per source signal up to the cloud, and then from there, really every source signal needs to be broken out into 5 or 10 streams, depending on what platforms you're serving. So you really need to use the uplink bandwidth as efficiently as possible, and cloud transcoding is the way to do that.
Now, as far as you're concerned, as far as Haivision is concerned, what are you seeing a lot of people doing right now? Are they still trying to transcode back at the home base, or are we seeing more people move into the cloud transcoding?
Oh, we're definitely looking at a shift to cloud transcoding, but there aren't very many reliable offerings out there. Our kilobyte technology has been really the premier software-based technology for encoding and transcoding, and being a software-based platform, it has allowed us easily to migrate to cloud-based computing power.
He's Peter Maag, the CMO of Haivision. I am Tyler Pyburn of the Pulse Network. Another conversation leading up to the 2012 NAB show.